Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix CarX treat any kind of shuttering or the lagging problem on your PC. Guys, I will show you the important setting that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application. If you will see the memory or the CPU is about the 90%, then it's mean it's the data symbol. Now you will see the background application on the top, so these applications are consuming a lot of CPU or the RAM and causing your game crash. So you just need to make a right click on all of these, then just click on the end task. If these are useless, then go to the startup app on the top. Now here you just need to disable all of the applications you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So you just need to make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next important setting is the privacy setting. So go to the window search, type here the privacy setting and it will appear on the top. So simply open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down, you will see the background app, just click on that. Now here just need to make sure that this option is off, because these are also the application that are causing your game crash, because these applications are consuming a lot of GPU or the RAM, causing your game crash. So make sure that this is off. Now the next important setting is the system configurations. So go to the Windows setup with the system configurations and simply open it. Now go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options, then just check this box and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16 or the 32 any value, then just select here the maximum. This will increase your game performance. Then just click on the OK. Then just go to the services you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just check this box of the hide all Microsoft services, then just click on the disable all. As you can see, I already disabled these services because these are useless and causing your game crash. Then just click on the apply to save the changes, then just click on the OK. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, then just launch the game and your any kind of CarX state crashing or the lagging problem will be fixed after this solution. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.